Hey guys, so this is Prachi and I'm from UP and this is Dave 16 of Learn English with me. So I was wandering in my village and I'm on the roadside and today I want to introduce you with my sister. Okay, someone is going. Today I want to introduce you with my sister. So hi. So this is Sakshi and she's my Mausi's daughter and she's like my best friend. She's very nice girl and she lives in Surat, Gujarat. So now she came to the village to attend a marriage ceremony and we all are here enjoying at the home of Mausi's family. And so okay, let's talk with Sakshi. Hi Sakshi, how are you?
Hi, I am fine. How are you?
I'm good. So you can speak something in my blog. Like I'm making English. I'm improving my English fluency. That's why I'm making the video. So you can also speak something in my blog.
Guys, there are so many people arriving.
We are on the road and many people are coming and going. So they when they see us, they are laughing on us like what we are doing on the we live in village and in village like we are shooting vlogs. It's a very typical kind of things. Okay.
Totally opposite.
Yeah. So what we are going to do? Actually, we are out of the home for around half an hour.
More than half an
more
hour.
than half an hour and we are just wandering on the road. Wandering is right. Yeah, we are just wandering on the road. Roads are empty, like there is no cars and trucks are coming on the road.
Switch the camera that people can see.
So we are just wandering on the roadside more than half an hour, and we are just enjoying. We are talking a lot of things because we are meeting after 2 or 3 years.
More than 2 and 3 years.
More than 2 or 3 years and we are like talking so much. We are so talkative. She is also so talkative, yeah, and I'm also. So we are just sharing our feelings, sharing the journey, like what is happening in the life, and we are just enjoying. We are having a lot of fun with having a lot of fun with her. We are invited at the Mausi's house for the marriage ceremony. So today is haldi function and we have not changed the cloth. We will go at home and change the clothes and we will come back and enjoy the haldi ceremony. So for now, like, we are going Pakolia to eat chaat. we went there but we didn't find chaat and chow mein. Like, we want to eat chaat and chow mein. You know what is chaat and chow mein? It's a dish in India. If you are watching from another country, so it's a dish. It's a, like, how can we describe it? It's a dish in India. Chaat and chow mein.
Spicy.
Okay? Yeah, it's made of potato, tomato, and it's little spicy. We went there but we didn't find chaat and chow mein. Like they said, come back again after 20 minutes and then we will keep ready. Yeah, so that's why we again come back from there, wandering on the road, and now we are going back to that shop to eat chaat and chow mein. So Sakshi, how you are feeling in village? Like she came village after 2 years, more than 2 years. It's been more than 2 years. So Sakshi, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling so nostalgic. कह सकते हैं?
No, what? Repeat again. What is it?
Nostalgic.
Okay, so it's the new word. Like, you can just search it on Google. What does it mean? and yeah, so we are going back. And we will eat chaat and chow mein. We will enjoy, then we will go back to the home and get ready for the ceremony and then come back and we'll dance. We will dance today. So we will dance on Hindi song, English songs, Punjabi songs, Haryani songs. Yeah, Bhojpuri songs, because in village Bhojpuri songs are so crazy. People are crazy about Bhojpuri songs, because we are from UP and in UP side Bhojpuri songs are like, oh my god, like people are crazy about Bhojpuri song. They listen, they dance, they enjoy, they do everything. Like, so it's around 5 p.m. in the evening. It's sunset time. Sun is
sun setting.
Sunset is going. I don't know how to say it in English.
हाँ.
Like it's sunset time and sun is about to डूबने को क्या सूरज डूबने को है
Sunset.
sun is about to set in. Correct, हाँ. Sun is about to set in and like feeling so happy. We are thinking, like we are talking about the memories, you know.
Yeah.
We are like friends. We know each other
Hmm.
more than 10 years.
No,
20, 50.
13 years. 13 years.
More than 13 years we know each other. Whenever she came village, she meet me. Even she is my Mausi's daughter, so we are sisters also, but we are best friends also. We enjoyed a lot.
Also, we fight a lot.
Yeah, we fight a lot, you know. Before coming village, she didn't talk to me, you know. It's been more than 6 months. She didn't talk to me. But when she came to village, like we started talking again. And it's so fun, you know, man. But like it doesn't feel like weird. It feels like we talk each other every day. We share everything. We tell every situation to each other. It doesn't feel like we have not talked more than 6 months. So that's the true friendship, you know.
True friendship, sisterhood.
Yeah, sister goal, friendship goals, whatever you can say. Just let me know in comment section if you also have a sister or a best friend like this. So just let me know in comment section. So yeah, I'm going to eat chaat and chow mein. Okay. You know, guys, we were going back to the home. Then finally we we meet Anmol. Hi, Anmol.
Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, fine.
Fine. Okay, so what is at your home? Like what function at your home? बोलो भैया की शादी है.
भैया की शादी है.
भैया, he is saying भैया की शादी है, you know. Okay, hi, इधर आओ साक्षी. So you know, like he accidentally met us. Bye, Anmol. We are going back to the home. Okay, we will come in the evening to attend the function. Okay. Okay. Bye.
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 Say
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Hi guys. Bye bye.
Bye.
See you in the next. Bye.